my new project. Bought this Jeep last year, guess 2019 in September. I got into trail riding with it, which I've never done before. It's been a blast. I've done some add-ons, but making this video because I'm gonna put a lift on it. This has 32 10.5s on there right now. I'm thinking about going still with them. I might even go up to 33s. I have plenty of room, but I'm gonna buy myself a lift. I put one in shackles on it. It might have a lift right now, but the springs are really tired, but it's in really good shape. Put a new top on it. Tires on another project. It's over there. There's my teardrop I'm working on. It's in really good shape. I don't want to molest it too much because I really like the looks of it. Plus I tow it behind my school bus. Got a bumper I need to work on. It does have a body lift on it. But this is going to be my summer project. Well, winter project. Whenever I feel like it. I just changed the oil on it. I can't even start it. Hold on. Little 4-banger. It's sturdy. I don't care. I'm not for it. Still, not sure if I like my lights, but they work. That's my project for the year. Lift. I've already put a locker in the back. It's a Yukon locker. Yes, I stuck with my 35, painted 35, but I put chrome alloy on it, axles in it. I'm gonna do the same to the front, but in the 30. I live in North Dakota. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy with it, so it'll do what I need to do. I guess if it breaks, I have an excuse to get axles for it. So apparently my garage is not big enough to see the whole outfit. My garage, I was playing in the snow. We have a little outside. Yes, I've got the doors off. It's surprisingly warm. So we've been driving, kids and I have been driving around with the coveralls. So really, it's been a fun little rig. It's gonna be one of those things that I don't think I can get rid of. It's just too fun. So I'm gonna do some work to it. Look at that. I don't even have my sway bar hooked up. Tie it up. So far, I haven't figured out why I have to need that thing yet. I've drove it without it, and I haven't found no difference. But I'm thinking 3.5-inch lift is what I'm doing, and probably leaving the body lift that's already existing on it. Have no enticement to go to 35s, 33, like a 3 and 3, 10.5. I would like to do. I'd like to do a tall narrow tire, but depends on what the deal is going to be. So, fun little pick. Jeep, really light, fun to play with. The locker in the back, it's a blast on ice. Squirrely, but fun.